Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel Amazon digital services. Whether you're looking to cut back on subscriptions or simply no longer need a particular service, this process will help you take control of your Amazon account and stop any unwanted charges. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving to the next step, as you'll need full access to your account settings to manage your subscriptions. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, select Memberships and Subscriptions. This section is where Amazon consolidates all your active subscriptions, making it easier to view and manage them in one place. Although I don't currently have any digital services subscriptions active on my account, I'll walk you through what happens next so you know exactly what to expect. Once you're in the Memberships and Subscriptions section, you'll see a list of all your active services. Take a moment to locate the specific digital service you want to cancel. This could be anything from Amazon Music Unlimited to Kindle Unlimited or any other digital subscription tied to your account. Once you've found the service you want to cancel, click on Manage Subscription next to it. This will take you to a detailed page where you can view your subscription details, including billing information and renewal dates. Here, you'll see options to modify or end your subscription. Next, click on Cancel Subscription or End Membership. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on which service you're canceling, but the option will be clearly labeled. Amazon will then ask you to select a reason for canceling from a drop-down menu. This is optional, but providing feedback helps Amazon improve their services. After selecting your reason, click Continue to Cancellation or End Now. This will take you to a final confirmation screen where Amazon might present you with alternative options or special offers to keep you subscribed. If you're certain about canceling, simply click Cancel Subscription on this final screen to complete the process. Once you've confirmed, you'll receive an email confirmation to the address associated with your Amazon account. It's important to note that charges will stop at the end of your current billing period, so you'll still have access to the service until then. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon digital service subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.